Imagine waking up one morning and only to discover that your job simply doesn't exist anymore. Not because of layoffs, not because of a recession, but because artificial intelligence has taken over your task. It might sound dramatic, but the numbers don't lie. PwC estimates that by 2030, nearly 300 million jobs worldwide could be exposed to automation. And McKinsey has shown that almost half of today's daily tasks can already be performed by algorithms. And this isn't some distant future scenario. We're living it right now. The real question isn't if this will happen, it's where do you stand in this story?
History has already taught us. In the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution transformed over 70% of workers who were farmers into less than 2% today. In the 1990s, the internet wiped out thousands of traditional jobs but created millions of new ones. In the last decade, smartphones replaced pocket cameras, MP3 players, and printed maps, but opened entire new industries of apps, digital services, and content creation. The common thread? There were always big winners and painful losers. And now, with the AI revolution, the gap is only growing wider.
By the way,
Just starting out, and your subscribe and like helps us grow and share more with you. Join us.
if you care about getting real data and trustworthy insights every week, not just hype, this is the moment to hit subscribe. Your support allows us to bring you research, examples, and practical tools to help you understand the AI revolution. This is where anyone can see themselves, whether you're an employee, a freelancer, a student, or a business owner. 1. Smart managers who implement AI. McKinsey research shows that companies using AI in operations and management improve productivity by double-digit percentages. Example, a factory manager who deployed AI tools for error detection reduced mistakes by 30%. The lesson? A manager who knows how to harness AI becomes irreplaceable. 2. Freelancers and independent creators. A graphic designer reported that a project that once took him 2 weeks, he finished in 2 days with Mid-Journey. Adobe found that designers using AI complete projects 3 times faster. Clients get value sooner, and freelancers can handle more work. 3. Students and young professionals. According to the World Economic Forum, 65% of employers now expect AI literacy on day 1. Example, a student in India landed a job at a major tech firm not because of prior experience, but thanks to her prompt engineering skills. 4. Doctors and nurses. A Harvard study found that AI-assisted diagnoses are 20% more accurate than human-only diagnoses. AI doesn't replace doctors, it upgrades them. A physician who embraces these tools delivers better care than competitors. 5. Teachers and educators. AI makes it possible to personalize lessons as if every student had a private tutor. Teachers who adopt these tools become indispensable in the classroom. 6. Small entrepreneurs. Launching a business used to cost thousands of dollars. Today, with ChatGPT, Canva, and Shopify, anyone can open an online store within a week. Thousands of small businesses are starting to compete with corporations, and AI is their equalizer. 7. Skilled workers with openness. Drivers, technicians, service staff, those who adopt smart apps or AI-powered pricing tools manage to stay competitive. The challenge isn't necessarily the profession itself, it's the mindset. 8. Researchers and scientists. AI is cutting experiments down from years to months, and from months to weeks. In biology, DNA analyses that once took years can now be done in months. This accelerates scientific breakthroughs at an unprecedented pace. On the other side of the equation are professions and roles at real risk. This won't happen overnight, but the trend is clear. Number 1, monotonous and routine jobs. Statista reports that over 50% of social media copy is already generated by AI. Call centers, data entry, and basic clerical roles are the first to disappear. Number 2, comfortable employees.
workers who repeat the same task for 20 years without learning anything new. In a world of constant change, inflexibility is the fastest way to become obsolete. Number 3, managers who refuse to adapt. A manager who insists on doing things the old way without new tools quickly gets outperformed by younger, digitally native leaders. Companies can't afford to stand still. Number 4, mid-level roles. Basic marketing, simple content editing, and technical support all being replaced by AI tools that deliver faster and cheaper results. Number 5, junior lawyers. PwC found that up to 30% of junior legal work can be automated. The legal field isn't disappearing, but those who rely only on repetitive tasks are in danger. Number 6, entry-level financial analysts. Goldman Sachs estimates that 35% of junior analyst work is already being performed by algorithms. Analysts who can't combine AI insights with human judgment become redundant. Number 7, cashiers. Supermarkets across the US and Europe have cut tens of thousands of cashier jobs in favor of self-checkout systems. The trend will spread everywhere. Number 8, people who block change. It doesn't matter what the profession is. If you refuse to learn new tools, you get left behind. MIT found that workers who believe their jobs are at risk report 30% higher anxiety and significantly lower motivation.
To understand the present, we need to look back at the past. The electricity revolution eliminated thousands of manual labor jobs, but created entire industries of technicians and engineers. The arrival of computers wiped out countless clerical roles, but gave birth to the entire IT sector. The internet destroyed local newspaper jobs, but gave rise to giants like Google, YouTube, and Amazon. The message is clear. There have always been losers, but the winners are those who adapt the fastest. And if you think this is just about technical jobs, wait until you see how it affects fields you'd never imagine. That's coming up in a moment. This isn't just about numbers and economics. Work is part of our identity, our sense of self-worth. When people hear that their job is at risk, it's not only financial fear, it's personal disruption. MIT research shows that workers who fear losing their job to AI report 30% higher anxiety and lower motivation. The effect? Even those who keep their roles may perform worse simply because of fear. But alongside the threat comes the biggest opportunity humanity has had in generations. Today, there are more ways than ever to upgrade yourself without needing capital or connections. 1, personal entrepreneurship. Anyone with a computer and AI tools can launch a real business. Accessible learning. Courses that once cost thousands are now available for free online. Boosted creativity. Anyone can write a book, compose music, or produce high-quality videos. Personal improvement. AI-powered productivity tools can make any worker twice as efficient. Side income. Many are generating additional income from home using AI. Social projects. Small groups are tackling global challenges in health, education, and the environment. Global work. Geography no longer limits opportunity. You can work with clients worldwide. Equal opportunity. Those who once couldn't afford to compete can now level the playing field. The real question isn't whether AI will impact your job, it's how you'll use it to become irreplaceable. And that's exactly why in our next video, we'll build a personal AI prompt together, one that can transform the way you work and live. Don't miss it. Click on the video that's appearing right now.
If you've watched all the way to here, you deserve to start today. We created a free prompt library for you to try immediately. The link is in the description.
AI tools like this? Hit follow, tag a friend, and drop the word tools in the comments. I'll send you the full list straight to your DMs. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter. See you in the next one.